Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
A is for airplanes that soar through the sky. B is for balloons floating up high. A is for airplanes that soar through the sky. E is for balloons floating up high. C is for cookies, sweet and round. D is for dancing to music sound. Here is for cookies. E is for elephants speaking A. F is for flowers blooming in May. E is for elephants big and gray. F is for flowers blooming in May. G is for games we play with dad. H is for hopscotch, jump left and right. E is for games we play with delight. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jungle adventures so bold. I is for ice cream. K is for cats that fly in the breeze. L is for laughter that puts us at ease. K is for kites that fly in the breeze. L is for laughter that puts us at ease. M is for monkeys swinging from trees. N is for nets built by birds with ease. M is for monkeys swinging from trees. N is for nets built by birds with ease. O is for ocean so deep and wide. P is for pirates who love to hide. O is for ocean so deep and wide. Q is for pirates who love to hide. Q is for cracking ducks by the lake. R is for rainbows that nature can make. Q is for cracking ducks by the lake. R is for rainbows that nature can make. S is for stars that twinkle at night. T is for trains that take us in flight. S is for stars that twinkle at night. Q is for trains that take us in flight. U is for umbrellas on rainy days. V is for volcanoes that erupt in a blaze. U is for umbrellas on rainy days. K is for volcanoes that erupt in a blaze. W is for wishing on a bright shooting star. X is for xylophones heard near and far. W is for wishing on a bright shooting star. X is for xylophones heard near and far. Y is for yawns before bed too near. Z is for zebras that bring us cheer. Y is for yawns before bedtime's near. E is for zebras that bring us cheer.
Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.